What's up guys? In today's tutorial, we are going to see a full tutorial about how to use Nova. So today's tutorial is really simple and is really fun. So make sure to watch all of it to not miss out on anything. So what you will do is open your Nova after you have installed it. Click continue. And you can get it pro for $60 per year. So we're gonna stay on the regular. And here you can use ChatGPT and GPT-4o, Google Gemini, image generator, PDF, Superboat. We're gonna try all of it. So ChatGPT is the regular ChatGPT where you can ask anything like write me a story and it will gladly answer. So GPT-4o is like the same thing but just a bit advanced. Gemini also, and now image creator. We can choose the style we want, like let's go for Van Gogh, and we're gonna type cat with glasses, for example. And just like that, it created you a cat with glasses in a Van Gogh style. So you can have fun however you want in this mode. So you can go to PDF, and then you can scan any document you want. So like, we're gonna tell them to minimize it, and just like that, it minimized it. So let's try the other things like Superboat. So it's saying say hi to Superboat, need to check your MRI, analyze a photo, scan a text, or upload a video or audio. So basically it's like Google Answers. There is GPT-4, also like ChatGPT, but more advanced. Cloud Sonnet also. Web search is like Google, tattoo generator, so let's try it. So you're gonna choose the tattoo style you want, like I'm gonna say this, and since I'm a cat lover, let's say cat. Why not? So like that, it made us a horror cat tattoo, I guess. But anyways, let's try the other stuff. Logo generator. So we're gonna choose the style we want. I'm gonna go with how about classic? Um, let's try restaurant. Made by robot cats. And just like that, it gave us a creative logo about cats directing a restaurant. So that should be fun, and it could be pretty helpful in your restaurant or any business you have. So that's basically it. And that should be it, guys. That's all the things you can use on Nova. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. Bye bye.